Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Easy Car Electrics. Today we're tackling something that's absolutely crucial for your car's electrical system: proper battery grounding. Poor grounding can cause all sorts of electrical gremlins in your vehicle, so let's make sure you get it right. What is grounding? Let's start with the basics. Think of grounding as creating a complete circuit for your car's electrical system. It's the path that allows electricity to return to the battery after powering your car's components. The ground connection links your battery's negative terminal to your car's chassis and engine, creating a solid foundation for all your electrical systems to work properly. Why proper grounding matters? Proper grounding isn't just about keeping your electrical systems running, it's about safety and performance. When your car is properly grounded, it helps prevent electrical shorts, protects your sensitive electronics, and ensures consistent power delivery to all your car's components. Plus, it helps your alternator work efficiently, which means better battery life and more reliable starting. Warning signs of poor grounding. Let me share some telltale signs that your car might have grounding issues. If you notice your headlights dimming or flickering, that's a red flag. Strange warning lights popping up on your dash could also indicate a ground problem. You might hear tapping sounds when starting your car or experience a rough idle. Even radio interference and unexpected stalling can be traced back to poor grounding. If your battery keeps dying despite being fully charged, don't just blame the battery, check those ground connections. 3 ways to ground your battery. There are 3 main methods to ground your car battery, and I'll walk you through each one. First, you can connect directly to the chassis. This is the most common method and works great for most applications. Second, you might want to use a dedicated grounding cable, which is popular among car audio enthusiasts. Third, you can ground directly to the engine block, which is sometimes the best option depending on your vehicle's setup. Step-by-step grounding process. Here's the right way to ground your battery. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need pliers, wire cutters, sandpaper, and a wrench. Make sure you're using a heavy-duty ground cable. I recommend a 2 AWG gauge cable for most applications. First, locate your factory ground point and clean it thoroughly with a wire brush. Remove any paint or corrosion to ensure metal-to-metal contact. Then securely connect one end of your ground cable to this clean point on the frame. Finally, connect the other end to your battery's negative terminal. Remember to double-check all connections are tight before starting your vehicle. Maintenance tips. Maintaining your ground connections is just as important as installing them correctly. Make it a habit to inspect your ground cables every few months. Look for any signs of corrosion, looseness, or damage. Clean your battery posts and connections regularly. This simple step can prevent a lot of problems down the road. If you see any fraying or wear in your ground straps, replace them immediately. Don't wait for problems to develop. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me share some mistakes I've seen people make. Never use undersized wire for your ground connection. That's like trying to drain a pool with a drinking straw. Avoid connecting to painted surfaces without first cleaning down to bare metal. Don't forget about the engine to chassis ground strap. It's just as important as your battery ground. And please, don't try to use multiple small ground wires when one properly sized cable will do the job better. There you have it, folks. Proper battery grounding isn't rocket science, but it's absolutely crucial for your car's electrical health. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, there's no shame in seeking help from a professional mechanic. If this video helped you understand battery grounding better, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Easy Car Electrics content. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Keep those engines running smoothly.